A trick that you can use when you are day trading. A little trick that you can use when you are day trading, okay? And I hope this will help you to avoid making mistake, because one of the first mistake traders will make will be to misunderstand the trend, okay? So they will be using uptrend strategy during a downtrend, or they will be using a downtrend strategy during uptrend, okay? So in order to locate clearly what is the trend, there is one little trick I will tell you tonight, and then you will keep it for yourself. And after you check all your value resistance and support level, and the video I did before regarding the preparation for day trading, and also you check the news, which news coming, the major news, you are aware of them. The first thing I will tell you is simple, and please, you will promise me that you will do it all the time, okay? So you want to day trade, you check your news first, you locate your major resistance and major support level on the 5 days weekly chart, okay? You are aware of the warnings, the earnings. You know, if you are a currency trader, I mean, this is the Euro USD, a 60-minute chart, okay? So this is where we start our journey from, because we consider the Euro USD as a leading currency pair in all currency, okay? If you are trading the stocks, you do this on the S&P 500, okay? So you know the direction of the market. That's what you do, okay? So if you are trading a stock, you go to the S&P 500 60-minute chart and you do this little trick. If you are trading currency, you go to the Euro USD 60-minute chart and you do this little trick I'm going to tell you now, okay? The trick is already on this chart, and pay attention. You come to the 60-minute chart and you draw a valid trend line, okay? As you can see, I draw the trend line here. A lot of people draw the trend line in different way, but that's the way I like to draw it here, as you can see. And the price is respecting this here now, you see. And it's I'm doing this, this is 1:38 in the night London time, because I stay some time long in the night, not because I want to trade, but to just look what's going on, prepare myself for the next day, or do other things, okay? So here we have the trend line that I draw. Some people, I will draw another one for you. Some people will draw it like this, okay? We will draw this one like this, but this one here, I don't like it, because that's my own personal view, because it doesn't represent the majority of what the price did. Because all these candles here, they came to this trend line. If you see the second one, they touch it, 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 and the price turn around, okay? It's only one single candle that break through this trend line, okay? So I consider this trend line um, more valid than this candle here, this trend line here. So the one below, I consider that as a true value of the trend line than the one on the top, okay? Just because one candle only went to this level, but some people will draw it up there. But you see the price not respecting that very much. Right here, right now, the price is respecting my trend line, the one I draw here, okay? So I can congratulate myself that my decision is right here, okay? So you draw, why you go to the 1 hour chart, okay, of the Euro USD or the S&P 500, and you draw this type of trend line, okay? So the trend line will tell you which trend you are in, okay? So when you look at this now, what do you think? We are in the downtrend. The Euro USD is in a downtrend, okay? So we are looking for opportunity to sell. But we look also at number one indicator, which is the price, okay? When the price is in a downtrend, the price must display a lower high and a lower lows, okay? So we have one high here and we have another lower high here, okay? There was a low in this region here and there is another lower low here, okay? So we are expecting this level also to be another low, okay? If the price start going down here, we will test this this support level here, if you see carefully here. So our first target will be here. If the price finds support here, we will watch it carefully because it may find support here and break through the trend line here and retest the trend line here. And then after that, when the trend line is broken, I'll tell you something very important. When the trend line is broken, okay, the price break it and retest it, okay. Another way that you can use it, you can wait patiently because a lot of stochastic people will mess your trade for you after you enter the trade when the second candle validates the trend line, okay. In order to avoid that the stochastic people mess up your trade for you, you can just wait after the price break the trend line. You wait for a stochastic to come to the oversold level and the price remaining on top of the trend line, and then you enter with the stochastic people to go in the direction of the trend. I hope you understand this clearly. Okay, the price break, like now, if the price break this trend line and retest it, we don't buy there because we know that the stochastic people will react. They will do their messaging again, get you out of the trade, and just to see your trade go in the way that you want it. Okay, so if you don't want to avoid that, we wait for the stochastic people. Okay, so we wait for the stochastic to pull back to the oversold level or to give us a bullish signal, and then we will enter that when the price is still above the trend line. Okay, so the trick that I was telling you tonight, okay, very importantly, is to draw your trend line so you know which trend you are in. So like now that you have this simple trend line here, why is it telling you? It's telling you that the trend is down. Okay, so this is just easy trade right here now. Okay, it's live now. I mean, it's late, I don't trade now. So for those who are scalping in the middle of the night, they can sell nicely here and wait for a price to test this level here, okay, and see the reaction of the price at this support level. Okay, so with this simple tool of the trend line, if you do that every morning, when London open, you draw your trend line. When New York open, you draw your trend line. On S&P 500, the currency pair, people draw the trend line on the Euro USD. You know the direction of the trend. Okay, so you have this on your chart now. Okay, so when the trend changes also, you will see, because the price will break it and retest it, and you wait for the stochastic to come down and go below the oversold level, okay, and the price remaining above the trend line, and then you buy. Okay, it's just simple. Okay, it's not difficult. So you don't want to be taking wrong decision contrary to the trend. Okay, that's painful, because if you go against the trend, the professional will punish you, because the professional, they have the trend line on their chart and they will not disobey the trend line. They will not. You see this trend line here. The professional will never ever buy in this condition. If they are buying, they are very careful. They know that this is a counter trend. They will trade very carefully, and if they see some changes, they will quickly come out. But if you don't know which trend you are in, then you are in trouble, because you're just going to shoot in every direction, and you get confused. So you please, this is the trick. 1 hour chart Euro USD, 1 hour chart S&P 500, and you draw the trend line. Okay, it doesn't cost anything to draw the trend line, but many traders every day they don't use the trend line. Okay, please use the trend line and follow this little trick. I hope this will help you for day trading and you get a better result all the time. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be very, very happy. Thank you very much, and take care of yourself. Okay.